Now we're going to look at one of the real misconceptions, and is that there is a direct relationship between face velocity and containment, and there isn't. Face velocity is a factor of containment, but there is no direct relationship. So I probably personally tested 6,000 to 8,000 hoods, and I would say over half of them that failed FS6 containment testing had really good face velocity. So face velocity is face velocity. It tells you how fast the air is going in the hood, but it doesn't tell you if the hood's working.
Hey lab enthusiasts! When assessing a fume hood's performance, face velocity is often the first metric that comes to mind. But what exactly is face velocity, and how reliable is it? Face velocity measures the speed of air entering the fume hood through its sash opening, typically expressed in meters per second. It is one factor in ensuring that harmful fumes are contained and drawn away from the user. A conventional face velocity of 0.4 to 0.6 meters per second helps maintain proper containment. However, face velocity alone doesn't give the full picture. What face velocity doesn't tell you is the airflow uniformity, the presence of turbulence, or the effectiveness of the baffle system. A hood with the correct face velocity could still have dead zones or eddies where contaminants escape. To truly assess performance, you need to consider comprehensive fume hood testing, such as tri-color tests, alongside face velocity measurements. At GD Waldner, we design fume hoods that go beyond just face velocity, ensuring optimal containment through precise engineering and thorough testing. Trust your safety to more than just numbers. Trust it to expertise.